how to deposit on Stake. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to deposit money on stake.com. Just make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any steps. So let's get started. First, open up your browser and head over to stake.com. If you haven't already signed up, go ahead and create an account. It only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, look at the top of the screen and click on the wallet icon. Now, Stake is a crypto-based platform, which means you can't just use your regular bank card or PayPal. You'll need to use cryptocurrency. Stake supports several options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and a few others. Let's say you want to deposit Bitcoin. Tap on Deposit. Under Currency, select Bitcoin. And Stake will generate a unique wallet address for your account. This is where you'll send the Bitcoin. Now open your crypto wallet, whether it's Binance, Coinbase, Trust Wallet, or another, and send the amount you want to deposit to that Stake address. Just copy and paste it. Don't try to type it manually or you could mess it up. After sending the crypto, it usually takes just a few minutes to show up in your Stake balance depending on the network traffic. You can check the progress under your transaction history on Stake. And that's it. Once the funds arrive, you're ready to start playing. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. And I'll catch you in the next one.